You are going to love the 2016 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.